Hello friend, how are you? Welcome to my new update video of class Patshala. Here is given a sum. Simplify the 7 minus 7 divide by 1 by 7 plus 7. 96% people cannot do this. This is the viral math. So everybody try to solve this. Here we will solve. We know that both must okay, both must is means bracket. Here we do first step is the divided formula and then multiplying, and next we do summation, and next we will do subtraction. Okay, here we start 7 minus 7 is equal to 7 by 1 plus 7. Okay, and 7 minus 7 into 7 is equal to 49 plus 7. Okay, here we can write plus 7 and 7 plus is equal to 14, and here 49. So we subtract by, we get 35. Okay, it is the value of this sum. Okay, if you enjoyed this math, please subscribe my channel. Okay guys, we will meet the next update video of the channel. If you new viewers, please subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you.